goaltender is going to challenge. It's going to be a short side save. Then a long side save. Rebound goes that way. You look. Pivot, come back, and a shot. Got it? Okay. Rebound control is important. So short side, long side, track your rebound, come back. Challenge, set, short side. Good. Long. Across. Get here. Stick in the middle. When you come to me, you gotta stick in the middle. Post. Challenge. Short side. Up. Set. Long. Across. Up and across. Hurry. Get here. Look. Stick in the middle. Set. Again, just a minute. Ready. Challenge. Short side. Good rebound. Long. Get your stick on it.